everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we explore one of the key features of JIRA, the components field. We'll keep it short and straightforward so you can quickly grasp its importance and learn what you can do with it. Let's dive in. In JIRA, the components field is used to categorize issues into smaller, manageable units. These units are often different parts or functionalities of a project. For example, in a software development project, components could be UI, database, or authentication. To add a component to an issue, simply open the issue you want to work on. Look for the Components field, usually found on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on the field and a drop-down menu will appear, showing all available components. Select the relevant one or even multiple components if needed. Now, you might wonder, why should I bother with these components? Well, here are some benefits. Better organization. Components help you categorize issues, making it easier to find and manage them later. Improved search. When you have a larger number of issues, using components as filters help you quickly search for specific topics. Team collaboration. Components facilitate collaboration among team members working on different aspects of a project. Sometimes you might need to create new components specific to your project. Doing this is simple. Go to your JIRA project settings, find Components, and click on Add New Component. Enter the name, description if needed, and save. Voila! Your new component is ready to use. Mistakes can happen, and you might need to update or delete a component. To edit a component, go to the project settings, find Components, and click on the component you want to modify. Make your changes and save. For deletion, follow the same steps but choose Delete instead. And there you have it, a quick overview of the Components field in JIRA and what you can do with it. Remember, using components enhances your project management, organization, and team collaboration. Now go ahead and leverage this powerful feature to streamline your work in JIRA. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel at Tech with Just Jingle Tingle for more content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.